Hi guys, how's everyone doing today? Today what we're going to work on is going to be a YouTube jacket advertisement for myself. I'm going to put YouTube on the back of a hoodie along with the name of my YouTube page or YouTube channel. So hopefully when I'm walking around out there, someone will see it and decide to go to my page. So I'm going to be a walking billboard for myself. I'm going to be using SISER strip block. So our first SISER strip block, Pro HTV, is in black. And we're also going to be using red strip block. I don't have the packaging for this one, but that is our strip block. We'll also be using the SISER Easy Weed Electric HTV, and that is in cherry. And a last minute decision was to use this glitter HTV by SISER, and it's called Rainbow White. And it has just all different colors in the glitter. Let me see if I can catch the glitter in the light. And we're also going to need our weeder or our pick. This is the Dollar Tree one. You're going to need your scraper, scissors, a ruler, your strong grip mat, and something to put the HTV on. And I picked up this hoodie from Walmart. It's kind of a heathered look. It's kind of a blend of gray and white. So that's what I'm going to be putting my billboard on. I also want to tell you a little bit about the flock or strip block as it's known. It used to be available at Michael's. I'm not sure that it still is. I don't think it is, but it is available on SISER's website and on other vinyl websites. But it has like a velvety feel to it once it's ironed on, or a suede feel to it. It's just the coolest thing, and it can be layered, and if you layer it, it's even cooler. So I love working with it, except on a mat. So on the mat, I use the strong grip, but because of the backing of the strip block, it feels like there's, I don't know how to explain it, but there's some feel to it that it doesn't stick that well to a mat. So you have to tape it down, and I think I already mentioned this, you tape it down. I use electrical tape, and Cricut also on their design space doesn't have a choice for flock on it. I think it's because Cricut doesn't sell it yet. So you just have to be your own judge when you buy it to decide which setting you want to set it on. Now in this video I set it on the genuine leather, which turned out to be too deep of a cut for it. I mean, it cut it really well. I just had to separate the letters and line them up with a ruler. So just work with it and see what works best for you. I'm going to have to try it again. I haven't used it in quite a while, and I forgot what setting I used to use it on. So I just wanted to give you all that information about strip block. It's really, the finished product is really pretty. And just one more thing I wanted to mention before we get started. You don't have to use strip block for this project. I just wanted to. And you can use any kind of vinyl, any kind of iron-on, any kind of HTV, if you decide to do this. So I hope you enjoy this video, and let's get started. Okay, as you can see, I already brought up my images, and I got the YouTube off of Google, and you just click on images, look up YouTube, click on images, and then choose the one that you want. And I chose this one with the little button and the YouTube words. And then I just did the text boxes and added my information. Just go down here to text and type in your information, and just type it in how you want it to show up on your shirt or whatever you're going to put this on. So this is all ready to go. I already sized everything. So you want to size it so it'll fit across All the wording's going to fit across the back of your, or front of your shirt or jacket or whatever you're going to choose to put it on. So we're going to go down here and we're going to hit make it. And there everything is. Let's see if everything fit on one. I actually have a long 24-inch mat, so I can probably use that so I don't have to squeeze everything together like that. See how it's squeezing it? I don't like that too much, so I'll use the 24-inch mat. So I'm going to go ahead and put the vinyl on, and I'm going to show you how it comes up and how you stick it down with the electrical tape. I'll be right back. Oh, and also you want to remember, I actually kept the words like this so you could read them when I put them up on the screen, but you want to remember to mirror this because it's an iron-on. Okay? Now we could have done it back on the other screen. We could have hit horizontal, or you can do it here and just hit mirror. And watch this. Everything's mirrored. Okay? And also, like I said, I'm going to use the 24-inch, 12 by 24-inch mat. So you want to make sure you go up here and change that. Where this says 12 by 12, you want to change that to the 12 by 24. Click on that. And then I'm just going to arrange all my words the way that I want them to go. So I'll be right back. Okay, this might seem somewhat crazy, but the red actually stuck to the strong grip. I'm surprised, but I did put the electrical tape down just in case, because a couple of little corners are popping up. And I did Julie Picks in just regular vinyl iron-on, and as you can see, the black keeps on curling up. I have to keep pushing it down. But the end result of this is really pretty. So if you gotta take some time and put some electrical tape on it, it's worth it in the end. And also, just like any other iron-on or HTV, you want to put the shiny side down. Okay? You want the dull side facing up. So I'm going to get ready to cut this. Just wanted to show you what it looks like on the mat and how it's curling up even with the electrical tape. Okay, the black is back down and ready to go. So let's get this cut. Okay, so everything's mirrored, so now we have our choices of all materials. And we're going to pick which one we want to use. Now, flock didn't used to be on here, so I'm going to see if it is now. I'm not sure. Haven't used it in a while. Let's see. And I do not see flocked. It's odd they wouldn't add it by now. I guess probably because it's not a Cricut product. That could be the reason. Let's see. Okay, all I could find so far is flocked paper, which I would think is paper thickness with some flocking on it. So I'm going to go ahead and go with genuine leather. Maybe we'll cut it twice. So let's just go with that. Let me load it up. Okay, so that setting worked really good. It only cut it once. And everything is cut, even the black. It's still taped down. Letters are coming up. I think it may have cut it a little too deep, but that's fine. They're still usable. So let me go ahead and get this off of here. I just wanted to show you that. Okay, the way I find the center of my garment is I fold it in half. Get the hood out of the way. Take the two shoulders, put them together, line them up. Got the two shoulders. Looks good. See that? Let me lay it down so you can see it better. Okay. That's the easy press. Okay. It's all nice and even. So this will be our center right here. Alright, so I'm going to go over that with the easy press. Just press that line. You don't want to burn it, so don't press it for too long. Okay, I think I see it coming out now. Okay, let's try that. It's also a very light color. Oh, there we go. There's our center line. I don't know if you guys can see it in the camera, but if you go like this, it's right there. See it? Alrighty. Okay. Okay, so since it cut my letters all the way through, I got the ruler and just lined them up. It really wasn't that hard. So now I'm going to go ahead and press them down. Okay, let me move the ruler. Get my Teflon sheet. Very carefully put it down on there. Remember, this is only because I use that flocked vinyl. You don't have to use the flocked vinyl to do this. Let's go ahead and do half. Do half. And give it some pressure when you have it on here. Let's see where this one is. Okay. Okay, let's pull it over to this side or push it over. Let's go again, giving it pressure. Remember, the dull side goes against the fabric now. The shiny side sits up, straight up. Okay. Let's see how that went. Everybody on there? You like it? I'll give it a couple minutes to cool down, but it looks pretty good. So the U looks a little teensy bit slanted, but it's my jacket, so that's okay for me. But if I was doing for a customer, I would make sure it was straightened up. So let's see if it's ready for me to get the plastic up. The backing. Ooh, that looks so pretty. Oh, I love flocking. It's a pain in the butt to work with, but once it's done, oh my goodness, you guys should feel this. This is so cool. Let's see how these guys are. Are you ready to come up? Yes, you are. Pretty. Alright, it's so worth the pain. Let's try the black. Let's see if the black's ready. Yes, it is. Yay! Let's try one down here. Let's try the bee. The bee. Oh, here it comes. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. And you can layer this. When you layer it, it's even cooler looking. So I'm going to get the rest of this on here. Actually, let me peel the backing off first, and then I'm going to put the rest of the letters on and iron them on. Okay, slight change of plans. I decided to glam it up a little. So I kind of made this white glitter doily looking thing, and I'm going to put Julie picks on top of that. I think that might look pretty cool. Let me get my easy press. See if it's okay. Let's give it a press. Teflon sheet. Right there. This might cover the whole thing. Maybe not. Just slightly off. Okay. Let's give it some pressure. I have it on 320 for 30 seconds because it's such a thick piece of vinyl. And this is SISER white glitter. Move it over. Start over again. I thought this was kind of a cool idea. With the white background, it kind of made the Julie picks stick out some. Okay. Alrighty. We got a line Julie picks up inside there as soon as that cools off. Let's see if it's ready to come up. Pretty. It's like multi-glitter. Oh, so pretty. Okay. That. Then we're going to try to line up Julie picks. Get that lined up. Pretty cool. And then it has all these little, it looks like arrows to me, so all the arrows are kind of pointing to Julie picks. Just move that over some. Teeny bit. Okay, Teflon sheet. 320 for 30 seconds. Pressure. I thought this was a pretty cool idea. Walk around, advertise my channel. Okay, let's see if that's ready to come up. Yep, oh, that's filling up really quick. That went down nice. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. So pretty. I like it. Put that over there. And I want to show you a close-up of the Julie picks and the glitter behind it. Alrighty, here she is, all pretty and glammed up. So I hope you like this video. Give this a try. And I hope you give me a thumbs up. Subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye. Alright, can you see the glitter? It looks so pretty. It really glammed it up some.